Welcome to the complete guide for WAN 2.1 Video Generator. If you're looking to create stunning, eye-catching videos, you're in the right place. WAN 2.1 outperforms many other video generators in several ways, and today I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get the most out of it. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about earning credits. Credits are your key to generating videos, and WAN 2.1 makes it easy to earn them daily. Here's how. Check in every day and you'll get 50 credits. Like your own video and you'll earn 5 credits, and you can do this twice. Publish a video and you'll get 20 credits, which you can also do twice. Add it all up, and that's 90 credits per day. Not bad, right? You can use these credits to create as many videos as your creativity allows. Now, let's talk about Turbo Mode. WAN 2.1 offers Turbo Mode for both images and videos. Here's what it does. It cuts credit costs in half and speeds up generation time. But there's a trade-off. The quality is lower. If you use Turbo Mode for all your video generations, you can make up to 18 videos per day. Just a heads up, Turbo Mode doesn't work for image-to-video generations, so keep that in mind. Speaking of images, let's address the elephant in the room. The image generation quality in WAN 2.1 isn't the best. Compared to tools like Dolly or even VidNose, it falls a bit short. I've included some examples in this guide so you can see for yourself. Now, onto the star of the show, the text-to-video generator. WAN 2.1 gives you 3 options for generating videos: 2.1 Plus, 2.1 Turbo, 2.0 model. Each has its own strengths, so you can choose based on your needs. Let's break down the key features. The Enhanced Prompt button helps optimize your prompt, making it easier to get great results. You have an 800-character limit for your prompts, so make every word count. WAN 2.1 supports all the most common aspect ratios, so your videos will look great on any platform. Inspiration Mode adds more creative freedom, but it can make the video less accurate to your prompt. If you want precise results, turn this off. The Sound Effects button is a neat feature, though I haven't fully tested it yet. In Inspiration Mode, it only adds music, so keep that in mind. If you're using the image-to-video generator, here's how it works. Drop in a reference image to set the first frame of your video. Enter a prompt, just like in text-to-video. Choose Inspiration Mode and Sound Effects. They work the same way as in text-to-video. There's also a Start and End Frame mode, where you can set both a starting frame and an ending frame with the same customization options. This is perfect for creating smooth transitions or telling a story through visuals. And that's it. You now have the complete guide to WAN 2.1 video generation. Whether you're crafting transformative visuals, experimenting with advanced prompting techniques, or simply exploring the platform's features, WAN 2.1 offers a powerful toolkit for bringing your creative ideas to life. Hopefully, this guide helps you get the most out of it. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!